Alright, welcome back to another tutorial. Now today I'm actually going to show you how to put a color onto a cube. Now most likely if you're watching this video, this checkerboard right here is probably the one that you got and you want to change it. We're just going to create a simple base color for now. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. This video should literally only be about 3 minutes long tops, hopefully. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is actually go into your details panel and you want to actually find where you're going to put your material at. So I'm actually going to go to this folder right here. Now I have my cubes inside this folder. We don't have to worry about what's inside the folder. What you want to do is right click. Once you right click, you're going to see material. Click on material. We're going to call it platform. Simple as that. Now once you have it named, you're going to double click on it to open it up. Now you're going to right click on this graph. Right click on it and search PARAM. And now once you see that, you should see vector parameter. You want to click on that. Boom. Once you click on that, you want to drag from RGB to base color. Boom. Now you can really name this base color if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, just click on this parameter and go right here to the side and details panel and change that to literally base color. And boom. Now you see it changed right here. So you can double click on side this black graph. Once you double click, the color should pop up. You can choose pretty much any color you want. Let's go with yellow. I think yellow is a good color. Now if you see I went yellow, you see it change yellow, click OK. And there you go, you have your color. So now we can click save. Once we save it, close it out. Click on your static mesh or whatever cube or whatever you're trying to change the color of, click on it. Once you click on it, go to details panel. Once you go to the details panel, you should notice right here, it says world grid material, right? So what we can actually do is, let's see if we can pin this tab and lock it. So we pinned it and locked this tab so it doesn't move when I open this content browser. You want to take this material and drag it and drop it, boom. And once you do that, you should see the material is actually changed. Now we can go to play it here and you see we have a yellow cube. Boom. That's how you do it, man. But without further ado, I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. We out.